Okay, so in this video, we're going to combine vertical and horizontal shifts. Okay, so you should have already gone over vertical shifts, you should have already gone over horizontal shifts, and now we're just going to look at those two together. Okay, so I've got four functions here: a quadratic, a cubic, an absolute value, and a square root function. Okay, so now then, based on what you've previously learned about vertical and horizontal shifts, when you see this equation, you know we're going to take our basic quadratic function, again, which is a parabola with the vertex at the origin. We're going to shift it, okay, to the right 3 units, okay? Remember, it's the opposite of this -3 here, so to the right 3 units and then up 4 units, okay? So when I graph that, let me move this out of the way here. You can see my original function in red. I've shifted to the right 1, 2, 3 units, and I've shifted up 1, 2, 3, 4 units, okay? So you can see the difference between the basic quadratic function and this quadratic function using vertical and horizontal shifts. Okay, let's take a look at the cubic function. So we've got x plus 2 quantity cubed minus 5. So that's going to be a shift of the basic cubic function 2 units to the left and 5 units down. Okay, so let's put those equations in here. So let's change this to x cubed. Let's change this to x plus 2 cubed minus 5. Okay, so let me get rid of that. So again, you can see our basic function is in red, and we've shifted this function. And again, it's good to kind of look at this this point right here. It's going to be an important point when we get to calculus. We're going to shift left 2 units, 1, 2, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's a horizontal shift to the left and a vertical shift down 5 units. Okay, so looking at number 3, okay, we've got an absolute value function here. So we're going to take the basic absolute value function and we're going to shift it 4 units to the left, okay, the opposite of this 4. So left 4 units and then 1 unit up, okay? So again, we know our basic absolute value function is this V-shaped graph here. So when I put in the equation, you can see, let me move this over. Okay, so you can see that basic function has been shifted 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then up 1 unit. Still the same V shape, okay? Just shifted to the left and up, okay? All right, and finally here we've got our basic square root function, okay? So we know that looks like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to shift that basic square root function, okay? 5 units to the right and 3 units down, okay? 5 to the right, 3 units down. So just showing you that graph. So I've got 5 units to the right and then 3 units down. Okay, so again, let's get rid of that. We've got our basic function here. And again, you can see that this starting point for the basic square root function is shifted to the right 5 and down 3. Okay, but otherwise the shape is exactly the same. Okay, so that's how you combine those vertical and horizontal shifts to quickly and easily graph functions of this form.